Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Skyspace, which is an AI tool that claims to replace 5 different research applications in one. So if you are a student, researcher, or just someone who loves learning, this could save you hours. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for skyspace.com. Then you will be landed here on this page where you will see AI assistant to automate everyday research task. So over here you will see the option of literature review. So instead of hopping between the Google Scholar, ResearchGate and database, Skyspace lets you search across millions of papers in one place. Then we have the option of AI explanations. If you are confused by heavy academic jargon, Skyspace breaks down the tough paragraphs into plain language, like having a research tutor right next to you. You will also get the option of summarization. So it can summarize entire paper so that you could understand the main findings without reading 20 pages of methodology. No need for the separate tool like Jotaro, because Skyspaces generates citations in multiple styles instantly. It even has annotation and sharing feature so that you and your team can mark up the PDFs together. The combining search, explanation and summarization, citation and collaboration, Skyspace basically turns into a one-step research hub. Now, like any other AI tool, you need to double check its accuracy. It is a powerful assistant, but it shouldn't replace the critical reading and thinking. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.